I'm setting up the climbing system on here, just a rope wrench setup.
I'm going to use a nut. I like this knot a lot in 10mm because it can run fast and release as well, but it's like consistently grabs as well. You're gonna need a neck tether or something similar, a chest harness, which lifts up your climbing system, and a foot ascender. I'm just using the CT Quick Step. It's a really nice ascender. Okay, and you'll need a little bit of rope weight when you start ascending. So just a coil of rope with a bike passed through and choked over the top. And to climb SRT, a knee ascender is super helpful because it means that I can use my right leg and my left leg really comfortably. And then, simple as that, you can walk up the rope.